Today I have organic rosehip seed oil made by a company called Pura Professional. This is an oil that I'm going to be using to restore, renew, and rejuvenate my hair and skin from head to toe. It says that it's 100% pure cold press, hexene free, premium grade rosehip seed oil. Now, as we turn on the back, one of the things that is making this product stand out is that there's no sulfates, no parabens, no synthetic fragrances, no artificial colorants, pesticide-free organic ingredients, and it is gluten-free, hyperallergenic, color-safe, and complete satisfaction guaranteed, which remains to be determined on the person who is trying to be satisfied. All right, so with this, the directions is on the skin. If you're just putting this on your skin, emulsify between your palms and massage on to the desired area for 1 minute. So you'll apply it and then on your area for 1 minute, and then reapply if your skin needs more. Now, if you're applying this onto your hair, use a small amount and apply directly to scalp prior to shampooing. Massage for 2 minutes while you're doing this. And it says that your individual results may vary. They have precautions. You don't apply this to broken skin. Consult your doctor before using this. It may be sensitive. But I'm going to go ahead and apply this to my skin. And it says, again, for applying under the skin, emulsify between palms and massage onto desired areas. So I'm going to put this in my palm. And then I'm just going to apply it onto my hands because that is the area where it is desired. No more ashy hands. It smells kind of good. So I have it on my ashy hands. And it says that it's supposed to keep it on my hand for about 1 minute. And during that 1 minute, what ends up happening is the skin starts to absorb it. Because if you're waiting for the results to happen exactly when you put it on your skin, you will not be getting those results that are actually desired. But after 1 minute, the skin starts to absorb it, and you'll notice the effects of the pure rosehip seed oil. So it's on my skin. It feels good. Well, because my hands are moisturized and not crusty like they were before. But it feels good on the skin. And it's been about 1 minute, or minuto as I say in French. And my skin feels even better because it has absorbed some of the rosehip seed oil. They look better, but I wonder what it will look like after repeated use of this, how much softer or rejuvenated or restored or renewed my hands will be with continued use. But after this first use and the first minute of having this on my skin, I'm a believer, sanctified. This is Pura Professional Organic Rosehip Seed Oil. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.